Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Shopee block device. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering, how do you fix the Shopee block device error or issue here? Well, in this case, for us to fix this one, we need to reach out to customer support. In this case, what we need to do is we first need to log in into Shopee. So go to any browsers you have, go to shopee.ph, or in this case, in the server or the region that you're at, so shopee.com. In this case, what we need to do is we need to access the help center. So go ahead and click on help at the top right here. And from here, what we need to do is we need to choose the option under categories that says general. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now from here, under general, what we need to do is we need to go to resources. And under resources, what we need to do is we need to look for the option that says, how do I contact Shopee customer service? In this case, it's now going to give you the steps for you to reach out the Shopee customer service here. Now in this case, it's also going to indicate the time frame, which includes 7 a.m. to 1 a.m. For chat, and you have the internet call via the app itself via 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. In this case, to access that, you just need to follow the following steps here. Which in this case, you just need to access the Me tab and shop with Shopee here, and from then on, you should be able to choose the other options. Which in this case, the option for you to basically have a chat with them. In this case, if you're still having issues on using your device, you might want to consider using a different device temporarily. For example, if you had a spare phone, go ahead and try using that first, and from then on, you should be able to reach out to customer service or customer support. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.